What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to increase or decrease the size of my Windows computer, fonts, icons, layouts, apps and pages. As you can see, the sizes are quite too big, it's enormous by the way, but how to decrease this into a simple way? Go to your desktop, click with the right button of your mouse out of the icons and go to Show More Options. Once right here, you can go to Display Settings. Once on Display Settings, scroll down and find Scale and Layout, okay? Mine it's set at 175. The recommended is 100. I like the 125. It's my favorite option. And this is the result I got. Here's a bigger one. You also can change other parts of your computer if you click on the scale option right here. You're gonna be able to redirect into text size, advanced display, and graphics, okay? For example, you can set a custom scaling for 100 to 500, okay? Up to you. Or you can customize the text size and some other advanced options in the case that you want. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!